So Ali's nail have been expelling some type of fungus for how long?
A year.
Yeah, it's a year at least, and now it started splitting into two, and the upper part started splitting so much we're cutting that off without any pain, and this is how it looks underneath.
Look at the second one starting to do it too.
Yeah, the second one is starting to do it too.
Dr. Moore said that your body will dump its nails if it has to.
Yeah.
You're going to lose hair, nails. You could, especially if you jump from a standard American diet right into this most powerful, energetic, nutritional diet on the planet. You're like going from hell to heaven. What a shock. And your body, it starts going, okay, I'll get rid of all these weak cells so I can rebuild new cells, and that's what happens. You will see a certain amount of tear down. It's standard issue.
I had similar experience, but not far from this intense. Super cool, and underneath it's like weak type of fungus looking. It's almost like coral reef. So cool
Popped
stuff.
a fingernail too. But she said what's growing in is so much stronger and smoother than what I had. Because that's what happens.